Hi guys, I wanted to do a real quick how-to on to install a plain cowl. This helps getting the holes lined up perfectly, and the cowl is already cut for the nose wheel. I already have one of these guides installed just to show you. So what you'll need is some cardstock or a small piece of poster board. You can use just painter's tape, but I like using the cardstock. Painter's tape is also used, as you can see. So I already drilled the holes out in the blocks, threaded the screws, and added CA to the holes. Next, you put a hole in the cardstock and put the cardstock on with the screw. So this is what I'm doing now. Hopefully it's not too close. I'll move the camera back in a second. Just going to install this one. You don't really have to do it all the way, but I get it pretty close. You can have it up there, and then you're going to tape that cardstock in place. Once you have that cardstock in place, you just remove the screw. Do this for all the mounting points. Slide the cowl over and make sure that the pattern lines up and the spinner is lined up with minimal space for the cowling in the back plate. You also want to make sure that these paper guides are on the outside of the cowl. I'm not going to line up everything now, but you get the idea. Get all your lines, get everything lined up. Once you get it lined up and your spinner lined up just right, then you tape the cowl down, and several spots will be great. And then once you finish getting everything lined out, double check all your pattern lines, then you'll come in here and you'll mark these holes where it's going to go to. Pull it off and drill your holes out, and they should be lined up perfectly.